Follow along to see the process of building an oil lamp. Do you remember them? They were used to produce light continuously for a period of time using an oil-based fuel source. They've been used for years, and in some places, they still use them to this day. This is how it works. This is so interesting, right? We absolutely love it. What do you think? On to the next one. This is so cool. We've never seen one of these in real life. Putting the wick in and then lighting it up. Look at that. This is how easy it is. It works perfectly as well. This is a more modern light. It is much more brighter and it works differently. Getting all the parts together. Putting in the huge batteries. And now we can light it up.